Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm excited to talk to you about a little kitchen gadget that's going to change the way you prep your meals. It's the Magic Bullet Blender, the small but mighty 11-piece set that's perfect for anyone who loves to cook. First off, let's talk about size. The Magic Bullet is compact, so it won't take up much space on your counter. But don't let its small size fool you. This blender packs a punch. It can chop, blend, grind, and mix almost anything you throw at it. Imagine whipping up a fresh smoothie in seconds. Just toss in your favorite fruits, a splash of juice, and you're good to go. Or maybe you're in the mood for a delicious homemade salsa. With the Magic Bullet, you can blend up a batch in no time. One of my favorite things about this blender is how easy it is to clean. The cups are dishwasher safe, and the blades are super easy to rinse off. No more struggling with hard-to-clean appliances. Just blend, enjoy, and toss it in the dishwasher. And let's not forget the versatility. You get different cups and lids, so you can blend just the right amount for any recipe. From single-serve smoothies to party-sized dips, the Magic Bullet has you covered. So if you're looking to save time in the kitchen and make meal prep a breeze, the Magic Bullet Blender is a game changer. It's affordable, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Ready to give it a try? Check out the link in the description and get ready to blend like a pro. Happy cooking!